Why do people watch Wendy Williams, bro? She is like cancerous. Hate Wendy Williams. Ain't it, Kato? Don't we hate Wendy Williams? Wendy Williams is straight cheeks, bro. Man cheeks.
Super facts.
But other than that, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. For today's video, we got, well, one package right there. And as you can read by the title below or above my head, today's video, we're going to be installing my brand new, you know what I'm saying? Check me out, check me out. Check me out, yeah, boy. Today we're gonna be installing this Plm X Bar into Christina. And then tomorrow I go pick up my new seats. So I'm opening this package first. This is actually a canvas shop done by my boy, that boy Cherry on Instagram. And he's like, bro, I ran a contest, but nobody wanted to enter it or whatever for a giveaway. So, well, like, man, I know you reached 200,000 subscribers, so I wanted to give it to you. So, this is what we got. Shout out to my man, that boy Cherry on Instagram, for this artwork. Hang this in my room. It might be pretty dope. You know I have nothing Toyota, but it's pretty cool. So let's get to installing this X Bar. Get a nice little unboxing for y'all. You know what I'm saying? So now it's time to install this thing, and from talking to my boys, what I'm gonna have to do is take off everything and then put it together piece by piece. So this is gonna have to come out. All this deattaches from itself, and then I'll start on the base plant of doing on the shock tower, and then removing this one, which I'm gonna do right now. And if you guys want this, 20 bucks, bro. 20 bucks. What's up? So my plan of action now is to get the actual X part into the car itself. So what I did was took my 17mm, loosen the two lock nuts on both of the shock towers of the suspension. So now I'm just gonna bolt in these two end links down on it, and then I think I'm supposed to screw these out, then screw these end links into, I think they're right there, and then go from there, and then obviously screw that back into there. But we're gonna see what's up. I would try to show it, but it looks kind of stupid on camera because of the sunlight. So, man. Well, to my surprise, the bolt that they supply you with, this bolt, which is the bolt that threads into where your rear seat would be, like the hole, this bolt is too big. It is too big to thread in, and I've been trying to fight it for like, I don't know, 5 minutes now, and I'm like looking at both of them, and you can visibly see, you guys probably can't see, but the new bolt is way bigger than this bolt, because this bolt right here, the OEM bolt, fits perfect. The new bolt don't fit at all. It's too big. It's literally too big. So I'm gonna have to run out to Ace Hardware real quick and pick up two bolts that look something like this. And I know I won't find it, but well, we can try. So just know, when you order your Plm X Bar, you might be lucky, you might not, but I wasn't lucky, and this bolt does not fit. So, yep. Or you can just make that hole bigger, but we ain't on that wave. We're just gonna go pick up two new bolts. Sun is going down. We got Boberto and Caitlin here, and well, when I went to Ace Hardware, The both bolts are fine, which is weird. Like they both thread in the same pitch, which is the M12 by 1.25, but it's not threading into the chassis itself, and I don't have a what's it called? I don't have a tap to tap it to actually a true 1.5. Well, 1.25. But we somehow found one bolt and it worked, so we're just gonna use that bolt. And then for that side, don't know what I'm gonna do. This is the bolt here.
These bitches are different.
That's what I'm saying. It's weird, dog. It's like this is fine thread and this is coarse thread.
Tighten up the side ones too.
When in doubt, my it out. Let's see, bro. Let's see.
About fitment everywhere.
Yeah, he's a fitment.
Every aspect.
Every aspect. Bro, I don't like the way your bumper sit, bro. Hold on. Bro, this is so annoying, bro. There's a guy on YouTube, Rev High Drive Happy.
Get over here.
He did a good video on it. And this won't be that good video, so. My Kai son in the flesh, bro. Got me decent, boy, good. Yeah. X Bar install at night. Cause you know how I do it. Super facts. Bro, I've been doing it since 4:40. You guys came at 5:30ish. And then what time is it now?
8:30. We drove around for an hour.
Oh yeah, 8:34. That's what we do, baby. My Kai son. And we have the X Bar installed. And we have those not inverted because they're supposed to go like that. So we did them out. So it could be a little different. I like it. Looks pretty good. X Bar installed. But tomorrow I'm gonna have to clean it up because you guys see that that's how it is when you tighten it, bro. That's both fully tight. It's not good. So, oh, that one's actually a little tight. What the hell? That's weird. That one's tight. Well, that's tight at the bottom. So, well, it's pretty much tight now. I didn't have the bolts for the shock tower tightened down, and that tightened up everything. And then Robert hit it with the monkey wrench I got on these in-link nuts. And well, I got to tighten this one and that one, and I had to tighten this one up because this one now is tight, and everything else is tight. Well, that's it. Plm X Bar Install. The level of rating of doing it, 10 out of 10, because this shit sucked. But
we got mine.
My over here, boy's a beast. He know what he's doing. And he pretty much came through and installed this bad boy. So I'll probably close out the video tomorrow with the daylight and some glamour shot. But for now, I'll catch y'all in the morning. So it is the next day, and wow, bro, from the outside looking in, it looks so good, man. And with the curved bars, like, you know how they're supposed to go that way, now they go that way. I think it looks cool because it flows with the body of the car. If you guys can see what I'm talking about, like it flows with everything, and I like that a lot. So here it is in sunlight. This is it, man. All I have to do now is just get this inside painted, bro. That's it. Just get this rust hole fixed. Cut that out, well, like some sheet metal or something over it, because I'm not planning on putting anything back here anyway, besides like tools or a jack. But get this painted all green. I want to get this painted yellow or wrapped yellow, but I do not want to take this thing back out. And I know if I paint all of this crap, I'm going to have to take it out, which I kind of don't want to, so hopefully I don't have to. But yeah, man, this is it, dog. This is my Plm X Bar brace. And how do you install it? The easiest way that I've seen is just doing all the brackets first. Like basically put this bracket on without all this stuff there, put this bracket on with all that stuff there, and then you got the bars individually, and then you just put the bars on it individually. That's it. I'm gonna link a video down explaining how to do it in the better way than I'm explaining it, and it's by another creator on here called Rev High Drive Happy or something like that, and he did a great job explaining what to do to install it, because bro, nah son, this was a pain in the ass, and yeah. But that is it. Now I have to take out that seat, take out my rail, and then head down to Neo Garage and pick up my new seat. Oh, and before I close out today's video, I want to say I want to give A huge thank you to my man Neo from Neo Garage for coming in clutch with this Plm X Bar. He now carry it, and I was like, bro, I gotta get it. So he gave me a good deal on this, and actually he's running a good deal right now. If you use Zosh 5, you can save your money on everything on the screen right now. Zosh 5 will save you money on all that stuff, and I can't thank Neo enough. So yeah, man, like I keep telling you guys, bro, Neo is the truth, man. Bro, Neo carries everything. Make sure you guys go over to neogarageonline.com, browse his website, see what parts you want, and either contact me or Neo, and we can get you situated, playboy. You know what I'm saying? So with all that being said, that's gonna close it out for today's video. Oh, I gotta do beauty shots. Nah, whatever. But that's gonna close out for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm actually gonna film 2 videos today, so I can have some uploads ready. So when I'm on my way to California, you guys are still getting uploads because now I have a MacBook, I can edit, and I got Final Cut Pro, and I know how to use it now. So boom, we should be good. We should be good. So thank you guys for watching today's video. Come back tomorrow to see another one, and I will catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.